Welcome back to Orange TV's special coverage of the 2024 Solar Eclipse.
Yeah, we have the Central Florida Astronomical Society out here today. They are one of my favorite groups that we have around here. They're just telescope lovers. They love space. They love showing off their stuff. And so they bring their telescopes out and they're showing it off with really safe solar filters on there, of course, and with all different kinds of telescopes so that we can see it in different ways.
So let's bring in Jeff Stanford from the Orlando Science Center. You know, Jeff, there is a jolt of energy that I always get when you step through the doors here. But today is extra special, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. What you're feeling is the spark of discovery. Yeah. It is an amazing day here. Our team is very excited. I mean, this is what we do. This is a real great example of how science impacts your daily life.
Welcome back to Orange TV's special coverage of the 2024 Solar Eclipse. You can see now we have made our way out to the terrace here at the Orlando Science Center, where it is a beautiful sunny day. Right about now is going to be the peak for our area, where we are going to see 60% coverage of the moon across the sun.
If you're at home, go ahead and get into your kitchen and grab a colander. A colander, I know sounds silly, but it is a great way to view the eclipse right now. You make sure you are in direct sunlight, and you're going to make sure that your distance is pretty close to the ground. And as you can see, when you're at full totality, this is pretty awesome. There are tiny little crescents on the floor here.
Looking at it through your glasses, put those glasses on right now, over your glasses. All right, now take a look up there now. What does it look like to you?
It looks like, It looks like the sun and moon like switch. Like if you look up at the normal moon, and then now it looks like the moon, but in reverse, but it's the sun.
Awesome. I think you gave a really great description, which is something I couldn't do and hold the mic at the same time. So thank you for your help today.
So you can see the path started off in the United States going through Texas, and it's kind of taking a nice straight line all the way through Maine. It's going to eventually end through like Nova Scotia and things like that. And then we have the wider shadows right there. So that path of totality, when you're talking about your parts of your shadow, that's going to be your umbra. That's that pure shadow. But then you have that outer fuzzy shadow. When you see like your hand cast on the wall, you can see a little fuzziness around it. That's going to be your penumbra.
As you can see, we have made our way to the top of the Science Center in the observatory, where you have been able to see a live stream of the camera that they have on that very powerful telescope up there to let us see that bird's eye view.
It's been a great day, and it's been a great day because we had several thousand people come out to the Science Center because they knew something big was happening out in the world. They knew it had something to do with science, and they knew that the Science Center was a place where they could connect, they could learn, they could explore, they could celebrate.